straight doing it.
What's going on, guys? It's Derek here with my brother Ryan on our hour now because I have him in the crew. It's gonna be a good day today. I'm going to go pick up my car. So what this video is gonna be about is a mix and match of all of this. It's gonna be all over the place because I got pictures, I got a couple videos I'm gonna be putting in this. I got into an accident, not that I got into the accident, but somebody hit me and pretty much paying for all the work to get done. I took it over to my buddy Josh at Direct Auto Parts and Service. They do really good work. They do services and they do a lot of body work. So my car got hit in the fender. I'll post a couple pictures up. And then I went there a couple days ago to go take a video of just an update on the body. I got to do that, so I'll throw that in a little bit later. All right, guys, so got the whole car here. Inside. This is the side that got hit. My bad. You don't have that fender still, eh? So this is this bad fender to the good fender. And the door's over there, far up on the rack over there. And that's the door. He's gonna be painting the whole car. So him painting this whole car, actually got a better deal on it. Buddy was paying for it because he hit me instead. Everything, whole walk around, everything. It's kind of wide angle, small shop. Kind of tell he's doing it like all right here. When I bought the car, right there where all that work's getting done, it was scraped up like somebody hit it. So he's just doing all that for me, pretty much. He's painting the whole car the same color, all the same color. Got all that done too. It's pretty much just sanding everything. It's gonna have it in paint in a couple days, so I'll be able to pick it up in a couple days. Some more. Sheesh. And then when I also bought the car first, they spent like 600 bucks and did all this right here, and like 6-7 months later it kind of came back. So he's doing all that too. Yeah, I can't wait. Though, as you guys can tell, so I can't really show you guys right now. So I will be picking this up tomorrow, but I just wanted to cruise with you guys. I had to. Oh man, I miss it so much. Light goes off and we go fast. Good to have your own car again. I'm not gonna lie to you. After getting hit and then waiting on, not really a week, but almost a week to get my car back, and I can't thank Josh enough for doing what he did, getting everything done. Like I said, I'm gonna pick this back up tomorrow with you guys. I'm gonna give you guys a wicked walk around. Probably even go spray it off in the morning because I think it's only right. Good to give it a good wash. Brand new paint job.
Straight doing it.
rinse the car.
What up, Don?
Alright guys, so now it's time for the exciting part, the revealing of my car. And damn does she look pretty. So I'm going to turn this camera around and do a quick walk around for you guys. Because man oh man, Josh did a pretty good job.
We straight doing it.
So, if you guys already don't know where Josh's shop is at Direct Auto Parts, I'll leave a link in the description. I give him a big shout out, only because, you know, he did more than what I asked. I only went in for a fender repair and a door, and he did way more, way more than I asked. I'll throw up a screenshot of what it looks like right now. And yeah, I'm pretty impressed. I'm happy. There's like a couple knick-knack minor things I'm not really too like worried about, because like the double-sided tape that came on the spoiler right here, all the way up here, it was like mad thick. It was like stupid thick. So this one right here is like a little thin. Other than that, everything put back together. Nothing else is broken. I actually wonder if this double-sided tape on this side held up. Oh yeah, see, she held up. So we're pretty much good there. Josh, you don't have to worry about that one. Yeah, man. Again, thanks a lot for all the work you did. Again, I'm going to shout you out a bunch in this video, so link will be in the description. Ooh, it feels good to have my car back at home, guys. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'm actually gonna get back on just doing what I was doing before. I know my niche was like just trying to get onto my own cars, but if I have a video and I have something to work on, I'm just gonna post it, record it and post it. Seems like that's the right thing to do for you guys, you know? So I'm up to 30 subscribers. When I hit 50, I'm gonna do like a little post thingy, you know, for all your guys' help. Keep me motivated. I want to keep on doing my YouTube. So thanks again. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.